Hello, good morning everybody. I hope you're having a good morning. Today is the first day of the month. This is 1st of October. So today we'll start off our analysis with a chart on my screen. This is USD You can see I already have my lines drawn correctly. So, and the reason we say a sell was because of this. We took this as a resistance. We also took this as a resistance. And then we expected that when the price was now upwards, we did expect it to go up to this point, then bounce off from this point to the lower side. So yesterday the price actually came close to this level but could not reach it. Instead, it bounced off straight to the lower side. So this is still a sign that we are downwards. It's now a very good opportunity for sellers to come in. We do expect price from where the price bounced off. The other levels which we'll be looking at is not only this trend line, but we also have the horizontal one, 105.84865. We also have 108.152 and 810. So if the price reaches any of be the correct place to look for a trade at GBP USD, we want a sell point here, 1.300623 here. So if the price can pull back perfectly up to this point here, then this is going to be the correct place to look for. You're not going to add anything. You're not going to add any. So the price needs to reach this point before eventually it heads to the bottom, 1.28151. We also have 1.26779. We have 1.24802, and then you have 1.22476. Then we have also this level, 1.32640. Then the next one is 1.34803. So these are the levels that if the price can reach them, then that will give us the correct opportunity to look for a trade. So we'll move forward. We're going to move forward to our next chart. We'll move forward to our next chart, which is USD. So this chart expect price to sell off, and the reason we expect a sell is because of this. You can see that there's a very good trend line at this point here. So we had a support, we had some support here, we had some support, and then there's this breakout. So we basically just want price to continue up to this point. We expect price to continue up to this level here. We have a support, we have a support, we have a support. There's a breakout. We expect price to continue up to this point, then bounce off from that point to the lower side. That's what we expect to be happening. So if you're on this chart now, you're supposed to be looking for sell positions. Expect price to move up to the level which we have, which is this one, then pick a sell from that point with their targets at this point here. And then you also have another target here. Then you have a resistance here, another target, and then you also have another target there. Then you have another target here. So this is a level here, this is a level, this is a level, this is a level, and this too is a good level. So the next chart I want us to look at, this is gold. So gold so far, gold is bearish. We do have a level here. We have a support. We have a support. This can come back perfectly the second time up to this point. Then this should be the ideal place to look for a sell from. So if you look at gold properly, you can see that somehow we are. So I want us to look at our next symbol. I want us to look at the next symbol, which is SP500. So this is how the SP500 looks. This is how my chart looks. So this is upwards. You can see that we are somehow to the upper side. We do have levels here as a resistance. We also have a level here as a resistance. and then you have a level here as a support, and then you also have a level here as a support, then you have a level here as a support. Comes back up to this point to look for a sell from. If the price pulls back up to this point, then this is going to be the best place where we want to look for a sell from. And if the price breaks beyond, then we do expect a move up to the line we have at the top, which is this one, 34.31.5. If the price can come back up to that point, then that will be the correct place where we want to look for a sell from. And the last one for the day, we look at Brent oil. Brent oil so far, we can remember we took a sell some few days ago. We are still into that sell. So we had our level here, we had our level here, and then we had a level here. So we also have another level here just now. So we do expect price after the bounce which you saw at this point, we expect price to continue down up to 39.5196. And that should be the end of today's session. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same. So thank you. See you.